Go out in the river.
So needless to say, as you can tell, it's a little flooded. According to Doug Maybe over on the other side of the river, he said it's 4 feet from flood stage. I would consider this already flood stage. I've never seen it this high that I remember anyway, at least not from this standpoint, from at this Dowling Park river camp area. So we're going to walk over to where the top of the landing is, which is normally a good 15 feet or so above the water line. And it's almost underwater. It's only about, what, a foot and a half above the water line, the very top of it. So get a view of the river, which is rushing by us pretty quickly.
Nice monologue. Yeah, we got a trip.